Do you dream of sparkling clean floors without the hassle of multiple cleaning tools? The Dreame H13 Pro might be your new cleaning champion. This innovative wet and dry vacuum cleaner boasts powerful suction, self-cleaning features, and a focus on hygiene, making it a compelling option for those seeking a comprehensive floor cleaning solution. Let's explore the functionalities, potential limitations, and overall effectiveness of the Dreame H13 Pro to see if it aligns with your cleaning needs. Impressive suction and smooth maneuvering. Power meets convenience. The Dreame H13 Pro prioritizes powerful cleaning with user-friendly features. It packs a punch with an impressive 18,000 PA suction power, effectively tackling both wet and dry messes. This is further enhanced by a high-speed 100,000 RPM motor that delivers 520 rotations per minute mopping. Faster mopping translates to fewer streaks and a more efficient cleaning experience. Despite its functionality, the Dreame H13 Pro prioritizes maneuverability. The GlideWheel power system utilizes two rear motors, allowing you to effortlessly glide the vacuum across floors and reach edges and corners with minimal effort. This is a significant advantage, especially for larger cleaning tasks, as it reduces fatigue and improves cleaning efficiency. High temperature and hygienic cleaning, taking cleanliness to the next level. The Dreame H13 Pro goes beyond basic cleaning by incorporating advanced features focused on hygiene. The self-cleaning brush utilizes hot water at a temperature of 140 F, effectively removing oil stains and eliminating foul odors. This hot water wash not only cleans the brush, but also helps sanitize it, reducing the risk of bacterial growth and promoting a cleaner cleaning experience. The self-cleaning functionality extends to the brush itself. It employs a dual rotation system that mimics hand washing, rotating clockwise and counterclockwise to remove dirt and debris while detangling hair. This feature eliminates the need to manually clean the brush after every use, saving you time and effort. Dual edge cleaning for a complete finish. The Dreame H13 Pro ensures no spot is left untouched with its dual edge cleaning feature. The brush design allows for thorough cleaning along baseboards and in tight corners, reaching areas that traditional mops or vacuums might struggle with. This ensures a more comprehensive clean and eliminates the need for additional tools to tackle those hard-to-reach spots. A few considerations before you buy. Potential limitations. While the Dreame H13 Pro offers a compelling set of features, it's essential to consider some potential limitations. The lack of information regarding clean and dirty water tank capacities might be a concern for some users. Smaller capacity tanks would require more frequent emptying, potentially interrupting the cleaning process. Additionally, some user reviews mention the noise level being on the higher side. For noise-sensitive individuals, this might be a factor to consider. The verdict: a feature-rich option for modern floor cleaning. Overall, the Dreame H13 Pro is a feature-rich and innovative option for those seeking a comprehensive floor cleaning solution. The powerful suction, self-cleaning brush with hot water wash, and dual-edge cleaning ensure a thorough and hygienic clean. The GlideWheel power system enhances maneuverability, making cleaning less of a chore. While the potential limitations of tank capacity and noise level require consideration, the Dreame H13 Pro offers a strong value proposition for its advanced features and focus on clean floors. If you're looking for a wet and dry vacuum cleaner that prioritizes both cleaning power and hygiene, then the Dreame H13 Pro is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.